In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to compress a PDF file in here on your iPhone, on your Android phone, or from your PC. I'm going to show you how to compress it in order to reduce the file size of your PDF file. We're going to reduce the file size so you can actually share it conveniently on email, on WhatsApp, or for example, if you're trying to upload that specific PDF document to a specific website which has a limit in terms of file size, I'm going to show you how to compress it ideally so you can upload it wherever you are, wherever you wish to. And the most important part is that this will not reduce the quality of your PDF file. I'm going to show you how to compress it and maintain the same quality in your PDF file. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, the very first thing we need to do is of course to locate my PDF file. I've already scanned the document, it's right here. This is the document that I've scanned, as you can see real quick in here. And then we do have the file size as well, which is a file occupying approximately 3.3 megabytes. Let's say that I wish to upload to a site which says, hey, you can only upload a maximum of 2 megabytes, for example. I'm going to show you how to reduce it in this video. Now let's hop into our internet browser, which is the very first step in here, and then let's hop into google.com, right? So once we're here on google.com, the next thing we're going to do is simply search for I love PDF. Okay, this is a very famous website that a lot of students, a lot of people use to convert or to compress PDF files or to simply edit PDF files. And we're going to tap on I love PDF real quick. There we go, it's now processing. And next up, we're going to scroll down and give a look at all the features that I love PDF offers us, and it's 100% free. We do have merge PDF if you want to merge two PDFs, split PDFs if you want to split a complete PDF into different pages, PDF to Word, converter, compressed PDF, which is exactly what we wish to use. We do have PDF to PowerPoint and a lot more features in here. Let's hop into compressed PDF in here real quick, and then tap on select PDF files. Now we just need to locate that specific PDF file to upload it here to our I love PDF website. So here we go. This is the PDF file. It's already showing here within Recents, as it's a PDF that I've just used recently here within my Files app. And then I'm going to tap here on this little button where we do have settings. It's very important. Now in here we do have different options. We do have recommended compression. We do have less compression. We do have extreme compression. Okay, so depending on the option that you select, this will ideally change a bit the quality. I do recommend you guys to stick to recommended compression, which will maintain the good quality and will do a good compression. But in case you do have a huge, very huge PDF file with over 50 or 100 photos or pages, probably you need to reduce it a lot, so you'll probably go with the extreme compression. Right now, let's go with the recommended one. Tap on compress PDF. It's compressing, and in a few seconds, my PDF will be ready. As you can see, we were able to reduce 95% of the size. Here we go. I do have my PDF in here already. Everything looks great with my PDF. Next up, I'll simply tap on three dots in here, share, and then next up, more. And down here, I'm going to tap on save to files. There we go. Now I just need to name, which will be Aura Decompressed. Let me tap on save, and I'm good to go. Now, as you could see in here, we've reduced it 95%. Okay, so we've just compressed it by 95%, which is a lot. The file initially was occupying 3.1 megabyte, and it's now occupying 167 kilobytes. This is 95% compression, right? Now let me quickly open up the file in here within files. As you can see, this one was occupying 3.3, and this is how it's looking like, right? Now let me open the other one in here. Let me go into downloads. There we go. This is the compressed one, and this is how it looks like. They look exactly the same. Ideally, there's no difference between these two documents in here, to be honest, and the file is already compressed. So this is just to say that whenever you scan a document from a phone with a high resolution camera, sometimes the camera captures on a very high resolution that you do not need on a screen such as a device screen like an iPad or a laptop or a mobile device. The phone may actually take a scan copy or a photo, which may be in a resolution of a screen to be projected for advertisement, or a projector, or for example, a big screen when you're driving and you see an ad on the road, for example. So that's why we need compression in order to reduce the size of that specific PDF file, the resolution or something like that, to small screens that look like mine in here, where this will look perfectly fine unless I zoom it way too much, which actually is useless in here. It would just make a bit of difference if it was in a big screen, which is not the case for laptops, for mobile phones. Now from here you can now share the document, you can share on WhatsApp, you can share it on email. Okay, and you won't be having any limitation in terms of space. Even the email will be sent in just a few seconds. Conveniently, it won't take a lot of time to upload that specific email. It will become something much easier. Now please note that this is something that you can also perform from your laptop. All you need to do is just open up your laptop, hop into your internet browser, go straight into ilovepdf.com, and then upload the file and you're good to go. Now in case ilovepdf is not working, we do have a different website that I recommend that you can use. This one would be PDF Gear. It's also a very good website in case ilovepdf is down. Of course, ilovepdf would be the very first one that I would recommend, but in case not, go all the way to pdfgear.com. These are websites that I've used consistently every single day, so I do recommend you guys to try that one as well in case you wish to convert or to compress or to merge or to split or do anything with your PDF which is related to editing your PDF in here. This was it for today, guys. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubt so we can actually discuss further within the comment section. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people and, of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.